So, if you're experiencing constant burnout, stress, lack of sleep, unhealthy, neglected relationships, unpredictable income, it's not because you're failing. You're just making some of the most common mistakes without even realizing it. And chances are, if you don't become aware of it, you could be headed onto a road to nowhere. So if you found yourself trying to fix the issues in your business, but nothing seems to work, it's a good sign that what you need to fix doesn't have anything to do with your business. And it starts with you. And truthfully, this is a business podcast, but this also applies to everything in your life and anything to do with your happiness. I remember how difficult my life always seemed to be and the reality in my head before I learned about these building blocks to success and happiness. Looking back, I can honestly say I was full of stinking thinking, meaning the way I thought about everything in life influenced the results that I kept seeing in reality. And that had an effect on everything in my life, from my career to my relationships to my happiness to my health, all of it. Then, one day, I learned a very powerful quote by Wayne Dyer. I've mentioned it before on this podcast, but it's been a while. The quote is, change the way you look at things, and the things you look at will change. Such a simple yet profound quote actually started changing my life. By implementing this core belief that if I change the way I look at things, the things I look at will change. I was able to become more aware of how my perspectives were contributing to my displeasures in life. But when I slowed down and I took a look at my thoughts and I reversed them, I did what I call universe reverse. I realized I could see things differently if I tried to view it from different perspectives. I started asking myself, how can I look at this differently every time I felt frustrated or triggered? And once I became curious about all of the different ways I could look at something, it was like the skies opened up and the possibilities were endless. This one quote literally changed my life for the better on all fronts. I credit this core belief as the reason why I have been able to obtain and maintain $150,000 a year in my home dog boarding and daycare business without the burnout. More importantly, it's how and why I was able to build my business so that it aligns with my lifestyle, my goals, giving me back my time, helping me to improve my relationships, improving my sleep, and therefore increasing my peace. Now, there's many internal building blocks that I could go over that could help you in your business, but that literally could take weeks. So today I'm going to cover the three most common ways that pet business owners self-sabotage themselves without even realizing it so that you can start curing the root issues and build lasting change from the inside out.